ازيكم. How to reactivate Fiverr gigs after being paused by Fiverr. ازاي تسترجع Fiverr gigs and give me these steps. So I go to my account here, my account in Fiverr, this one, and then click on profile and gigs. Paused, you have to click on paused. No active gigs, paused gigs. You have 3 gigs. You will click here and here press activate. Just select one, only one. Then this will be active. Click on it, activate. It will be activated here. So here will be one activate. If the post, press here, activate, then will be from pause to active. Okay. If you have any question, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible.